Succession of states. Succession of states is a theory and practice in international relations regarding successor states. A successor state is a sovereign state over a territory and populace that was previously under the sovereignty of another state. The theory has indulged in 19th century diplomacy. A successor state often acquires a new international legal personality, which is distinct from a continuing state, also known as a constitutional or historical heir, where the state sinks to its border retains the same legal personality and possesses all its executing rights and obligations or such as a realm state. Partial and universal state succession. A state succession can be characterized as either being universal or partial. A universal state succession occurs when one state is completely extinguished and its sovereignty is replaced by that of one or more successor states. A partial state succession occurs when the state continues to exist after it has lost control of a part of its territory. An example of a partial state succession is the case of the split of Bangladesh from Pakistan. There was no challenge to Pakistan's claim to continue to exist and to retain its membership of the United Nations. It was a continuator and not a successor. Bangladesh eventually was recognized as a new state. It was a successor and had to apply for UN membership. An example of a universal state succession is the dissolution of Czechoslovakia. Neither part claimed any continuity, for the Czech Republic and Slovakia were new successor states. Rights and obligations. Consequent upon the acquisition of international legal personality, the difficult matter of succession to treaty rights and obligations arise. Succession may refer to the transfer of rights, obligation of property from a previously well-established predecessor state to its successor state and can include overseas assets such as diplomatic missions, foreign exchange reserves, and museum artifacts, and participation in treaties enforcing at the date of succession or international organization. In an attempt to codify the rules of succession on states, Vienna Convention entered into force in November. Classification of keys in their application to the acquisition of independence. Distinction should be drawn between different keys, though the line of demarcation is not always clear. Bilateral and multilateral treaties necessarily give rise to different considerations. There are real treaties and personal treaties. Real treaties affect the territory itself, such as boundary agreements of the grant of transit rights, which can continue irrespective of the personality of the state. The new state must take over the country in the condition in which it finds it, as the parent state cannot give more than it possesses. Such treaties can be described as the treaties creating poorly local obligation. Exception to orderly succession. There are several recent examples where a succession of states, as described above, has not been entirely adhered to. This is mostly a list of the exceptions that have occurred since the creation of the United Nations. In previous historical periods, the exception would be too many to list. Afghanistan. The Taliban state in Afghanistan on the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan became the de facto government of nearly all the country.